Susan, I think we are on the wrong train.
Why do you think that?
This train doesn't look familiar.
Where are we going?
We are going to Brighton.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Let's look at our tickets.
good idea.
What does your ticket say?
Brighton.
Mine says Brighton too.
That's strange.
Maybe this is the right train.
Perhaps.
Let's ask someone.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Hello.
Is this the train to Brighton?
Yes, it is.
Really?
Yes.
Then why does it look different?
This is a newer train.
Oh,
I have never travelled on this one before.
that explains it.
Wait,
What is it?
the train has stopped.
Are we in Brighton?
I don't think so.
What does the sign say?
Hayward's Heath.
Oh,
Did we make a mistake?
maybe.
Excuse me.
Is this Brighton?
No.
Oh dear.
This train stops here before Brighton.
So we are still going the right way.
Yes.
That's good.
We did not get on the wrong train after all.
We were worried for nothing.
Brighton is the next station.
That's wonderful.
I am looking forward to our day out.
Me too.
Sometimes a small worry has a simple answer. Let's see how much you remember from today's story.
Listen carefully to each question.
Then answer out loud before we reveal the answer.
We will give a short pause after each question.
Please pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. Where were Tom and Susan going?
Answer: to Brighton.
Question 2. What did Tom and Susan look at?
Answer: their tickets.
Question 3. What was the first station where the train stopped?
Answer: Hayward's Heath.
Question 4. Was Hayward's Heath their final destination?
Answer: no.
Question 5. What was the next station?
Answer: Brighton. Now we are going to learn some important words and phrases from the story.
We will explain each one in simple English.
We will also give short example sentences.
Listen carefully to the word or phrase and repeat after us. 1. Train.
A train is a vehicle that travels on railway tracks. Example: we travelled by train. Example: the train is leaving now.
2. Ticket.
A ticket lets you travel on a train, bus, or other transport. Example: I bought a train ticket. Example: please show your ticket.
3. Station.
A station is a place where trains stop. Example: we are waiting at the station. Example: the train stopped at the station.
4. Sign.
A sign gives information with words or pictures. Example: the sign says Brighton. Example: read the sign carefully.
5. Journey.
A journey is the time you spend travelling from one place to another. Example: we had a long journey. Example: the journey was easy.
6. Platform.
A platform is the place where people wait for a train. Example: we are waiting on the platform. Example: the train arrived at the platform.
7. Stop.
A stop is a place where a train or bus stops for passengers. Example: this is our next stop. Example: the train made one stop.
8. Look forward to.
Look forward to. means to feel happy about something that will happen. Example, I look forward to my holiday. Example, we look forward to our day out.
9. The next station.
The next station means the station that comes after this one. Example, the next station is Brighton. Example, we will get off at the next station.
10. Day out.
A day out means a trip somewhere for enjoyment. Example, we had a lovely day out. Example, tomorrow we are going on a day out. Now we are going to do some listen and repeat exercises.
After you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud. We will then ask you to repeat it one more time.
Try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm, and speed. We will include a short pause for each time you speak.
Let us practice together. Sentence 1. I think we are on the wrong train.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 2. Let's look at our tickets.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 3. Is this the train to Brighton?
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 4. This is a newer train.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 5. What does the sign say?
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 6. This train stops here before Brighton.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 7. We are still going the right way.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 8. Brighton is the next station.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 9. I am looking forward to our day out.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Sentence 10. Sometimes a small worry has a simple answer.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Now we are going to do some shadowing practice.
Listen carefully to each sentence, then repeat out loud exactly what you hear.
This time, try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm and intonation as closely as you can.
We will include a short pause after we speak each sentence. Please pause the video if you need more time.
Just do your best and have fun. Sentence 1. I think we are on the wrong train. Sentence 2. Let's look at our tickets. Sentence 3. Is this the train to Brighton? Sentence 4. What does the sign say? Sentence 5. This train stops here before Brighton. Sentence 6. We are still going the right way. Sentence 7. Brighton is the next station. Sentence 8. Sometimes a small worry has a simple answer. Now it's your turn to speak.
Listen to the conversation.
Answer each question using your own voice and in your own words.
If you need some help, look at the prompt on your screen.
Question 1. Where were Tom and Susan going?
They were going to Brighton.
Question 2. What did Tom and Susan look at?
They looked at their tickets.
Question 3. What was the first station where the train stopped?
It stopped at Haywards Heath.
Question 4. Was Haywards Heath their final destination?
No, it wasn't.
Question 5. What was the next station?
The next station was Brighton.
Question 6. Were Tom and Susan on the wrong train?
No, they weren't.
Question 7. How did Tom feel at the end of the story?
He was looking forward to the day out.
Question 8. Were Tom and Susan happy at the end?
Yes, they were.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed today's story and learned some useful English.
If you enjoyed today's story, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is learning English. You can also watch another one of our English stories by clicking the video at the bottom right of your screen.
Thank you for watching.
Bye everybody!
Cheerio, folks.